umgadangiso Busisiweko ugeke konke nje warara isitjhaba kwagcina kukateleleka bona ikomiti eqala amafa wesitjhaba ibawa umengameli uRamaphosa bona aziphendulele. Ikomiti le ithi ifuna umengameli atlola umtlolo othathulula kuhle umgadangiso ofahlileko lo. Emgadangisweni loyo umengameli uzwakala avuma ukuthi uyazi ukuthi ihlangano yakhe ye-ANC isebenzise imali karhulumende ukwenza imisebenzi yehlangano yakhe. Kanti nomvikeli womphakathi ubiziwe ukuthi aphenye indaba le.
We still collating evidence, we still requesting affidavits and also investigating on our own or independently to determine the whether the investigation will proceed and how it will proceed.
Kodwana ukuriata into ehlala ekhona.
Doesn't seem to be we will be in a position to finalize the investigation within 30 working days as required by the Act. So we will inform the Speaker of the National Assembly, because the Executive Members Ethics Act is not clear where should we report when we can't finalize the matter within 30 working days. And we only focus on the conduct of the executive, and we will not be investigating any conduct of members of parliament because we don't have jurisdiction.
Nakusenjalo icala lika Mkhwebane nalo ragela phambili kodwa naye uthi akazi ukuhlala du angazilweli. Umkhulumeli kaMkhwebane ukanelele ukuthi akukabi nesiqundo sithetheko ngendaba le bekubekade singombana uMkhwebane usakhulumisana namagcwetha akhe.